Hi, my name is Elise Cho, and I am currently in 7th grade. I may look like a yogi there, but I'm a bit of a science nerd at heart. Let me tell you a little bit about my journey trying to understand the brain, body, and mind. Ever since I was little, I've loved practicing Taekwondo. I feel energized by the social interactions with my peers and the physical exertion that would always take place. Some of the things I most enjoyed and still enjoy are the different forms in Taekwondo. Sometimes I try to make my own forms using the moves and the kicks I learned at the dojang. Within the last few years, my abilities in Taekwondo have grown, and I have gotten more and more interested in how physical exercise such as Taekwondo could affect the brain and the human mind. I have made it one of my personal quests to quench this curiosity that has sparked my passion for neuroscience. To do this, I have read multiple studies about how the brain and Taekwondo are related. Some of the studies I have read, one of which was written by Young Jae Kim and his colleagues, shows that Taekwondo can improve body perception, control, and brain activity. Also, according to Soo-yeon Cho's study, Taekwondo can develop cognitive function and academic ability. Taekwondo training also improves brain connectivity from the cerebellum to the parietal and frontal cortex. Recently, I have also become interested in yoga. I have learned that yoga affects the brain in surprising ways. Studies show that yoga comes with many mental benefits, such as a more relaxed mind by tapping into the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to calm us down. Studies done by Chris Streeter show that yoga impacts our brain's GABA levels, which is the neurotransmitter that suppresses neural activity. He proves that reduced anxiety levels can occur to a certain extent through yoga and without traditional anti-anxiety medicines. Furthermore, neurological research shows that there is more gray matter in certain areas of the brain in people who regularly practice yoga as compared to control subjects who do not regularly practice yoga. Higher levels of gray matter in the cerebral cortex and the subcortical areas of the brain is associated with pain tolerance, self-control, emotions, and memory, to just name a few. This means that yoga could be effective towards helping certain types of depression, which is known to be the common cold of mental illnesses. Both Taekwondo and yoga are fascinating in its relation to its influence in the human brain and in neuroscience itself. Both exercises refer a lot about how the breath and movements affect the human mind. However, as a more tangible and logical learner, I hope to understand the influence such practices have on the brain. Perhaps I can use my interest and knowledge in the field to help find new ways and new mechanisms to use exercise as a way to develop and train the brain.